Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Numble puzzle. Once I click start, we'll be given 6 small numbers and we have to combine them just using times, minus, divide and plus in any order. You don't have to use all of them to hit today's target, which as you can see in the top right is 946. You don't have to use all the numbers that are given, but you can't use any number more than once. Feel free to pause the video after I click start if you want to play along at home, because obviously as soon as I see the answer I'm going to enter it. So if you want to play along at home, you can pause when I reveal, which I'm going to do now. Right, we don't have any 100s, so we're not just going to do a simple 9 times 100 or 10 times 100. 12 75s would give us 900, and then we could add on the 50. But that means we either need to make a 12 and then a 4, or we need to do some other combination of things. How many 125s could we need? 8 lots of 125 would be 975, I think. No, sorry, 8 lots of 125 is 1,000. So, yeah, if we add the 75 and 50 together and multiply it by something, it's going to be way too high or way too low. We could just do 19 times 50 minus 5. That gets us to 945. So it's very easy to get one away. But it's a lot trickier to get spot on, which of course is what we're aiming for. How many 5s could it be? It's 180, 190, is it? 190 times 5 is 950, but we still need to take 4 away. It's not that easy to get 195, and it's not that easy to make 4. You'd have to use at least 2 digits. Tricky. What else? Let's go back to this 12 lots of 75. Because we could try 3 times 75 minus 1 before we multiply it by the 4. But then we can't make a 4. This is the slowest one of these I've done on the channel. I've definitely done ones before that have taken me absolutely ages. But they tend not to be when I'm making a video. It's just the way it's worked out. I obviously don't know the digits in advance, so I don't know how easy it's going to be before I decide to record or not. What are we going to do? I just don't like 75. I don't think anybody likes 75. 75 times 12 and 2/3 is basically what we're aiming for. Oh, I mean, 50 times 19 looks very plausible. It's just that we're not going to be able to get the 4 at the end. 50 times 18, of course, gives us 900. So how are we going to make 46? Not very easily. Oh no, I can see a way. This is a very difficult one if I've got this correct. Okay, so that's 15. We'll do 300 plus the 15. We can multiply that by the 3 to get 945, and we can add 1. And that is a super tricky one. I don't know if there was an easier way to do it that I just didn't see. Well done if you managed to solve that faster than I did. Well done if you managed to solve it at all. Let me know if you came up with a different method as well. That is super tricky. I'm very happy that I made a video on this, because you can see I've done plenty of videos where it's been super easy. But it's nice to have a challenging one on camera for a change. And more importantly, a successful solve on camera. Ah, dear. Yeah, thank you for sticking with me if you got to the end. And yeah, as I said, well done if you solved it yourself. That is Numble. Thank you for watching and bye for now.